my name is Stacie Jassen, and I am a 4th grade teacher at Midway Elementary School. Today you're going to be watching us in our Super Bowl extravaganza of equivalent fractions. We've been studying equivalent fractions in math, and you're going to get to see us go through math workshop doing a variety of things. So I hope you brought your game face and enjoy our Super Bowl extravaganza. All right, guys, we're going to get started. Are you ready for the Super Bowl?
Yeah!
Did you bring your game face?
Yeah!
Okay. What have we been talking about with fractions? Who can tell me what is a fraction? Jax, tell me what a fraction is.
Part broken up.
Okay, a part broken up into pieces. Okay, that's great. Could it be a cake?
Yes.
Could it be a pie?
Yes.
Could it be a fraction of a set, like an egg?
Yes.
Okay, who can tell me what is the top number of a fraction? What is that called?
Numerator.
Oh, Matthew, I love how you raise your hand.
Numerator.
Numerator, what does the numerator tell us? James?
It tells us what is like shaded or covered up.
Perfect. So if I eat, okay, let's say I have a pizza and it has 12 pieces in it, and I eat 5 of them, and I say, you know what, Emma, what fraction of the pizza have I eaten? What would you say? So there's 12 pieces. I ate 5 of them.
5/12.
Perfect. That is excellent. Okay. Now, I want you to tell me though, I want you to look, take a minute to look. What do you notice about these two fractions? I mean, I'm picturing in my head, these are cakes, yummy, delicious cakes. And I see 3/6 of it over here, and I see 6/12 over here. Something stands out about them. Meredith, what stands out about these two to you?
That they're equivalent fractions.
So they're equivalent fractions? What makes it an equivalent fraction?
Because they're both half of the pizza, but the slices are different sizes.
The slices are different sizes, but they're still the same amount, right?
Yes.
So which pieces are a little bit bigger, but we're still getting the overall same amount? Which ones? That it?
It's a 3/6.
Yes. Okay. Now, whoops, let's go back. We're jumping ahead here. Okay. Now what I want you to do is a TV timeout, just like we see in the Super Bowl. I want you to turn and talk to your neighbor. And what are some fractions that are equivalent to a half? And I am going to come around and listen to the conversations you're having. Did you come up with?
501,000.
Okay, I want you guys to think, what are some fractions? These are great ideas. I want you to think, what are some fractions that we see every day? Think of some numbers that we see every day.
2/4, 3/6.
2/4 and 3/6. Now, how do you know that 2/4 is equal to a half? How do you know that? Eric. So you have 2/4. How is that equal to a half? It's split in half. Okay, what do you know about the numbers? The relationship between the numbers. Sydney.
So if you do 1/2 and 2/4, if you multiply it by 1 whole or two halves, then if you multiply 2 halves by 1/2, you get 2/4.
Okay, so what you're saying is you would take a half the bottom by 2, right?
Yeah.
So 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is what?
4.
4. So then you have 2 fourths. Those are awesome things. Okay, just like any other athlete, before our Super Bowl, we have to do what?
Warm up.
Oh, we have to what?
Warm up.
Okay, so yesterday we read the Hershey's Milk Chocolate book, okay, about fractions. And today we're going to review some equivalent fractions with this. Okay, using your fuel bar. You all have a fuel bar on your desk. Empty your fuel bar out onto your desk. A yummy Hershey's bar is going to give us the fuel to win the Super Bowl, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you notice about this fuel bar right here? It's divided into
Thirds.
Okay, how many thirds are shaded in? 2/3, 3/3,
1/3.
1/3. I want you to take a second using your fuel bar and make an equivalent fraction. So you have 12 pieces. I want you to make an equivalent fraction. What is equivalent to 1/3 with your pieces? Go for it. Oh, I love what Emma did. Oh, you did great. You did fantastic. Yeah, you did fantastic. Sydney's ready. Who else is ready? Elizabeth is ready. Okay, you can always tag your coach in. If you need help, tag me in. I'm so excited to help you, so definitely let me know. James, you did a great job. Okay, what fraction with your fuel bar is equivalent to 1/3? Caitlin.
4/12.
4/12. Thumbs up if you agree. Excellent job. Okay, are you ready? The next one? You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Okay. What's my fraction of this fuel bar? I've eaten my fuel bar.
2/3.
Ready for the game? 2/3. I want you to find with your fuel bar what is equivalent to 2/3. Got it? Good. I love that thumbs up. You're ready. I'm going to give out some brag tags because I see so many math whizzes at work right now. Love it. So, what do you need help with? Which part? Okay, so let's look at this. This is a hole right here, right? Okay, so imagine we're cutting at thirds. This is a third. This is a third. If we have 2/3, okay, so here's our 2/3. What do you have? How many total pieces do you have? 8. You have 8 right here, that's right. How many total pieces? 12. So if you have 8 right here, but you have a total of 12, what is your fraction? Bingo! Great job! I love it. Good job. Look at you go. Great job. I'm seeing some awesome work. Okay, who can tell me what is the equivalent fraction for this fuel bar? Hafsa.
8/12.
8/12. Awesome job, girl. How did you know that?
Because there's 8 individual pieces.
Awesome. And how many? So that would become your what? Your numerator or denominator? Numerator. Awesome. What's your denominator?
12.
12. And how did you know that?
Because there's 12 in all.
12 and all. Awesome job. And I gave you a fraction. Perfect. Okay, this one's a little trickier. Look at it closely and think to yourself, I see one section here, 2, 3, and 4. So what do I know my denominator is right here? 4. How much is shaded in? 1. So what's my fraction right here? 1/4. I want you, using your fuel bar, to find a fraction that is equivalent to 1/4. Go for it. Oh, Eli, I love that you're on a roll, bud. Way to go, Miss Maddie. Doing fantastic. Who can tell me what their fuel bar equivalent fraction is? Mr. Noah.
3/12.
Bingo, 3/12. And how did you know it was 3/12?
Because three of the
show the same amount, just what you have right now show the same amount? Yeah, and that's what equivalent fractions are, right? They're the same amount. Awesome. Okay, well, here's another tricky one. We're getting close to finishing the warm-up, so we got to really work our brains. What is this fraction right here? 3/4. That's correct. Okay, using your fuel bar, I want you to find the equivalent fraction for this. Go for it. Your whole bar. Here's our whole amount. Let's say that. Okay, up there on the board. So, that's cut into how many? Section 2, section 3, and 4. So, 4 sections. What did you do to try to see that same amount? What did you do with those? So if I put these together, is that the same amount up there? And what could I do to try to make it the same amount? What else what could be something else I could try? Okay, does that look like the same amount up there? Or does it look like a little more? A little more. So what could you do? I love it. Good. Look. Move these right here. Does that look exactly like that amount? Yeah. So what ends up being your fraction right there? How many pieces do you have? 1, 2. 9, and how many total pieces did you have? So what would, okay, high five, here we go. All right, who can tell me what they got? Okay, it did.
9/12.
9/12. Now, here's the challenge, the home stretch before we start our actual Super Bowl game. Here we go. This equivalent fraction is hard. I want you to look at this and kind of see. Okay, these two pieces together is one piece. It's like if I broke apart that Hershey bar for my friend, I broke 2 pieces off together and gave it to them. If I did that the whole time, how many sections would I have? Let's see, ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 sections. So this right here is 1/6. Say it like you mean it.
1/6.
Okay, you are going to find an equivalent fraction for 1/6. Okay, go for it. How's it going over here, Glenn? Look at you guys go. Awesome. Okay, so we have 1/6. And how many pieces do you have total?
12.
Okay, so I want you to think, we have 1/6. I need something that is equal to 12. How did I go from 6 to 12? What did I do? Multiply by what? 2. So whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. So 1 times 2 is?
2.
So 2 12s. Are you warmed up for the big game?
Yeah!
All right, I think so. I think we are so ready. So just to review what we're going to do. You may have 1 piece of your Hershey bar while I explain what we're going to do. So enjoy your fuel bar, okay? Team 1, when we go into math workshop, you're doing math facts. You're going to get on Dreambox today and practice your math facts, okay? There's some equivalent fraction lessons on there. You could do multiplication and division. It's your choice. Team 2, you're coming to Coach's Center, okay? Coach Jason's there to help you. And we're going to work on Connect 4 with equivalent fractions, okay? And Team 3, at your seat, you have your choice board where you can be making lots of great projects. You can be the substitute and teach a lesson. You can create a game about equivalent fractions. You may come up with a problem of the day. It's your choice, right? So I want to see those creative juices going. You can also do the equivalent fraction race with a partner. So you have two great choices right there. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Are you ready to go?
Yes!
Are you ready for the Super Bowl?
Yes!
Okay, you may go to your first rotation. Go ahead and go to your first rotation. All right, my friends. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
So today, we're going to practice finding different equivalent fractions. Now, we're going to play in teams, okay? The Super Bowl is a team game. Noah, but here, I'll sit right here for you. Come on over here. So, you're going to be with a person. So we're going to have two right here, partners. Here's team one. Let's see. Three. Yes, all three girls can be together. Then team, team, and team. Okay? So here's what we're going to do. You have lots of great options. You may use some fraction pieces, or how else did we learn we could find an equivalent fraction? What can we do?
The butterfly trick.
The butterfly trick, but we can also multiply by a
2.
by 2, by 3, by 4, by any number, right? So what we're going to do, when you and your partner find an equivalent fraction, the fraction I'm going to put on the board, you say, Coach, we got it, we got it, we got it. I'm going to check your board. If you have it correct, you're going to get to come and put an X up here. Okay? Can you put your X floating in the air? No, because Connect 4 doesn't work that way, does it?
No.
Okay, but sometimes there could be water spills, because are there water spills in the real game?
Yes.
Yeah. Can there be coach timeouts?
Yes.
Yes. And if you need coach, can you tag me in? Yes. Okay, so are you ready? All right, here we go. Here's your first fraction. I want you to find an equivalent fraction to 3/4. Go for it. You can work as a team. Perfect. You can go put a mark up there for your team. Okay, Noah got it for his team. He's on a roll. Okay, so what did you multiply by? How? Okay, so you're saying that 6/8 is equal to 3/4, right?
Yes.
How did you get 6/8?
6 is 5. Okay, so 8 times 3 is 24.
Okay, go ahead and put a mark on the board for your team. She's got the point for your team. Okay, whoa, look at you go. Okay, now remember, when you multiply, what needs to be the same? The top and the... So, if you're going to multiply by 6, multiply by 6 and by 6. Are you saying, though, that 6/8 is equal to 3/4? So, if we have 3/4, what do you want to multiply by? 8/8. Okay, so we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by 8. So I want y'all to try that for me, and then I'll come back and check. Okay. Okay, so remember, the top and the bottom need to be the same. So 3/4 times what? Yes, then you could do that. Okay, so let's take a look at something for a second. Okay, you know what? I want you to look. 3/4. Remember, whatever you multiply the top by, you must multiply the bottom by, right? So if I'm going to choose 3, I'm going to say 3/3. And 3 times 3 is what? 9. What's 4 times 3? So is 9/12 equivalent to 3/4? Yes. Okay. So when you do this, when you multiply, you want to make sure that you're multiplying the top and the bottom by the same number. Does everybody understand? Okay, let's try another one. You ready? Let's try 5/6. I want you to find an equivalent fraction to 5/6.
I just had to put it. Coach.
Okay, so you multiplied by what to get this fraction? 2. Perfect. So you're saying 5 6 is equal to 10, 12. Go ahead. Okay, I'm coming. Perfect. 11. Love it. Good job. Good job. Fantastic. Okay, I saw lots of great strategies this time. Good job. I love it. Meredith, do you want to share what you did? What did you do? Yes, she multiplied the top and the bottom by 2. And she got 10 twelfths. Okay? This time, I'm going to give you one, and I want you to figure out what the missing top number is. You ready? So let's do 2 eighths is equal to something 16. So you're thinking to yourself, how did I go from 8 to 16? Bless you. What did I do to go from 8 to 16? Awesome. Go up there to the board. Go to the board. Go. You got it. Excellent job. You guys got it as a team. Oh, that is so sweet of you. Perfect. I love it. Good job. You guys are working fantastic over here. I'm very proud of you, okay? Okay, I heard some great strategies going on over here. Sanjay, can you tell me what you guys got to get your answer? Yes, that's perfect. That is excellent. Okay, here we go. Are y'all ready for another one? Oh, are you ready for another one?
Yes!
Okay, here we go. Let's do 2 6. So anything, so you're multiplying by something to get a fraction. Go ahead to the board. Excellent. You can go get one. Glad, Meredith. I'm glad that you're getting a problem solver, girl. Excellent. Go give yourself a point. What'd you multiply by? 4. Okay. Go on up. Oh, I see some great strategies. You're using those game strategies. Okay, I noticed a lot of great things. Tamara, can you tell me, what did you multiply 2 6 by? By 2. So she multiplied the top and the bottom by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. But what is 6 times 2? 12. So 4 12ths are equivalent to 2 6. Okay? Alright, let's try another one. You ready? Okay, let's do 5 eighths. Find something equivalent to 5 eighths. Excellent. Ooh, I love this. Okay, what's 8 times 5? So where should your 40 go? Perfect. And what should go up top? Excellent. I love it. Great job. Fantastic. Okay, who can explain what they did that time? Meredith.
I multiplied 8 by 2 and I got 16. And then I multiplied 5 by 2 and I got 3, so I got 6.
Excellent job. Okay, I also saw some multiplying by 5 too. Remember, when you're doing this, if you're multiplying, let's say by 5, you're going to go across, okay? So what is 5 times 5? 25. So I'm going to put that on top. What is 8 times 5? 40. So 40 is going to go on the bottom, okay? So you've got to go all the way across. All right, let's try another one. Are we ready? What fraction should we do? How about 6 eighths?
Yeah.
You guys ready? 6 eighths. Let's try it. Whoa. Ooh, these boys are using some big numbers. I love it. Here we go. So now I'm going to show you one right now, and I want you to explain to me in your words on your board why they are not equivalent fractions. Okay? And what would be an equivalent fraction to the fraction I'm going to give you, okay? So I'm going to give you, let's say, 4/6, okay? And then I'm going to say is equal to, let's do 1/3. Why are those not equivalent? I want you to explain on your board. Use models, use drawings. Tell me why they are not equivalent. Okay, can you explain in words? How about on Jackson's board, you explain in words why they are not equivalent. He did an excellent job of drawing the model. I want you to tell me in words. So work together to write about why those aren't equivalent. Okay? Excellent. I love it. I see some awesome strategies going on. Very good job. I have 2 candy bars. Okay. This candy bar is cut into 6s. Okay. And this one is cut into 3rds. Okay. So over here I ate 4 6. Here I ate. What can you tell right there? They're not equal. Which one's more? Which one's greater? 4 6 is greater. That's right. Okay, good job. All right, guys, let's take a look at this. Who can tell me, who can explain to me using their words, Jax, why they are not equivalent fractions?
4 6 is more shaded than 1.
Okay, it has more shaded. That's an awesome one. Okay, Meredith.
They're not equivalent. They're black and yellow.
Awesome. Okay, Sanjay.